I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the app and an account. Now start by connecting one data source so you can see live results. First, upload a CSV or link Google Sheets or enter SQL credentials. This feeds the widgets. Once done, pick or create a dashboard template and set the time zone plus default date range. Make sure your account has permission to access the dataset. If not, request access now so the next steps run without interruption. You'll now assemble the dashboard by adding widgets that answer specific questions. Start with a chart, table, and a KPI. Choose the metric and time field for each widget so they stay synchronized. Next, configure filters and query parameters. Apply a sample date range to validate results. Once values look correct, arrange and resize widgets to prioritize space, and set an appropriate refresh interval, like 5 minutes for live. Finish by sharing and automating so the dashboard works for others without manual steps. Configure sharing permissions, view versus edit, and generate embed links if needed. Then schedule exports or alerts, adding recipients and frequency like daily or weekly reports. Make sure to test a delivery. If numbers look wrong, first check source credentials and time zone settings, then inspect active filters and overlapping segments. Those are common causes of mismatch. If that fails, reconnect the data source and rerun the queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.